Good morning students. Next we can study about mass of the earth. Mass of the earth, how we can calculate the mass of the earth. In the previous class we can studied about the difference between small g and capital G. We can derive the equation small g is equal to gm by r square. So we can calculate these equations from the mass of the earth. So mass of the earth can be m is equal to, in this equation we can calculate mass m, capital M is mass of the earth. So therefore m is equal to small g r square divided by capital G. Small g is the gravity acceleration due to gravity. R means radius of the earth. G means Newton's law of, universal law of gravitation. So from this equation we can calculate the mass of the earth. We can substitute the value. Already we know that small g, capital R and capital G. So substituting these value G, R and G. Small g, capital R, capital G. So small g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square and capital G is equal to 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram. Next capital letter R, radius of the earth, 6400 kilometer. Next substituting this value in this mass of the earth equation, m is equal to small g r square divided by g. G value and r square value, then capital letter G. We can divide the multiple these two, small g and capital R. First we can square the r value, then we can multiple small g and capital letter R value, then divide the capital letter G value. So we can conclusion last final value mass of the earth, m is equal to 5.972 into 10 power 24 kilogram mass of the earth. This is the final value mass of the earth. We can denote it as capital letter G. So the value is 5.972 into 10 power 24 kg. Next, how we can calculate the person in the surface of the earth and surface of the moon. We can compare the value of mass of the person. The person can be stand on the surface of the earth. So mass of the person 60 kg from the surface of the earth. G, acceleration due to gravity, is 9.8 meter per second square. We can substitute the value, weight is equal to m into G. So therefore m, the person, mass of the person is 60, acceleration due to gravity 9.8. So we can multiply this value, 588 Newton. So next the person stand on the moon. So a person can be stand on the moon. The person, how much mass on the moon? So same mass of the person 60, we can calculate, weight changes. So acceleration due to gravity changes 1.625. So we can multiply two values, 97.5 Newton. So a person stand on the surface of the earth, we can final value 588 Newton. But a person stand on the moon, surface of the moon, so the weight can be changed 97.5 Newton. So this is the difference between mass of the person to stand on the earth or stand on the moon. This is the mass of the earth, any person. So we can compare. Next we can study about variation of acceleration due to gravity. Variation of acceleration due to gravity. So how the variations can be place to place. A person move upwards apart from the surface. A person move downwards from the surface to change the acceleration due to gravity. So small g means, already I told you, acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So in geometric radius of the earth is that means acceleration due to gravity, geometric radius of the earth is maximum in the equatorial region and minimum in the polar region. Equatorial region means hot or humid regions, hot or humid region. That region, the geometric radius of the earth is maximum in the equatorial region and minimum in the polar region. Polar region means apart from the earth surface. So minimum in the polar region. Next one is the earth acceleration due to gravity move upwards and downwards to reduce the small g values. Reduces in move upwards and downwards. This reduces acceleration due to gravity from the surface. That means Earth's surface move upwards and downwards. Both the person can be move upwards or downwards from the Earth's surface is very reduces acceleration due to gravity. But center of the Earth is 0. Acceleration due to gravity, center of the earth is 0. Acceleration due to gravity. This is the variation of acceleration due to gravity. Thank you.